Alright, job of the day. Customer wants me to put these axles underneath the springs, so that's what I'm doing. Taking tires and wheels off right now, and then I'm going to start taking everything off. Alright, all tires and wheels are off. I'm going to drop these axles down. I need to cut the wiring. Drop axles, pull it, new saddles, install. And wiring's cut, and wiring cut. Start dropping axles. Alright, axles almost dropped. Got one more bolt. Come on. Put the nut over it so I don't fuck with the threads. If I need to, I'll just put 2 bolts on for them. Yeah, to put some bolts on for them. That thing does not want to come off. Okay, alright. Axles are unbolted. Oh. Rear is out, front is out. Good shit. Bushing decided it wanted to be out. Thank you, bushing. Let's bring this over to a spot where I can weld on it. What? Good form up. Good form down. Next one. What? Put these around because I gotta get the springs off. One over. Second one over. 3/4 to get those nuts off. New bolts coming off. And last 4. Good. Measuring spring center. We are 68 1/2. 68.5. I have 2 spring saddle perches that I already had on my truck. I'm gonna have to cut off one set on one of the axles and just flip them around and make sure they're all square and stuff. But I have one, so one axle is gonna be easy. Do another deadlift on this bad boy, right in the center. All right, I got everything level. I'm gonna tack this on, check for center, and then tack both sides, check for center, check for level, and then weld it out. Jumping ahead, camera died, but I got springs flopped to the other side. Axles are gonna go sprung under the springs now. I need to drag these things over there and put them on. Let's get these things back under the trailer. Whoop. Oh, just gotta get it far enough so I can pull it. Should be far enough. And next one. Whoop. Sweet. Come on. 4 new bolts for the outsides. I don't trust them. Front axle is on. Just putting the rear on now. Not a very good video, I'm just grunting, so come on, thank you. All right. Let's get the last 2 shackles on, tighten it up, and then get it tall enough so I can get tires on this thing. All shackle lengths, all bolts are on. Let's tighten everything down. After a lot of geometry, I got it done. That was a lot of work. Okay, that's down. We're on suspension, and I got a list of recommendations for him. I'm gonna suggest that he gets the Allred hanger kit so we can put hanger supports across, because now it's super top heavy. He can put new tires now since he's got a bunch of room. He's gonna have to probably get a different step for his RV. I think everything went up probably 4 inches, 5 inches. But he got what he needed, got what he requested. And I'm gonna clean up my tools, torque the lugs on this, and then get out of here. Passenger side front. Oh, wow. I don't like these type of lug nuts. Passenger rear, and moving to driver side. Driver side rear done. 50. And driver side front done. This trailer's done. Put his axles underneath his springs. I'm gonna send him a recommendation list for stuff that I recommend. Probably new tires, I think the Allred supports, do that. Send him a link for an adjustable hitch so he can bring it all the way up, but this one's done. I'm on to the next.